Hi everyone, in this video I want to cover how to enroll a wireless LCD keypad into the PROA7PLUS. Before you begin the installation, please confirm that you have an AlarmNet 360 account associated with the PROA7PLUS. The wireless LCD keypad can be wall-mounted or attached to an optional desk stand. Attach the mounting plate to the wall using the supplied screws. Now, attach the wires, noting polarity. Next, install and connect the battery into the back of the keypad. Log in to your AlarmNet 360 account through the app. Select the account you're using for this installation. Scroll up, then tap Configuration. Find Keypads, then tap the plus to add a keypad. This will take you to the enrollment screen. Tap Learn. Once the app displays that you are in learning mode, you can install the keypad onto the wall plate to power it up. Once the keypad is powered, it will begin to look for a panel to connect to. After it detects the panel and the pairing is successful, your app will update with the keypad's information. Tap Accept. You will see a green check mark verifying that the keypad enrolled successfully. You can now select the partition for the keypad and add a descriptor of where the keypad is located if desired. If you wish to add another keypad, tap Save and add another. Otherwise, tap Save. You can now arm and disarm the system from the wireless LCD keypad. Congratulations! You have successfully paired a wireless LCD keypad to the PROA7PLUS. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.
Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube page and click the Show More tab underneath the video where you can view valuable links pertaining to this product, similar how-to videos, and our low-cost, no-contract alarm monitoring services.